Earlier this month, the asteroid 2014 HQ-124 glided by 776,000 miles from Earth, or about 3 times the distance between our planet and the Moon. First noticed on April 23rd, the 1,200-foot-wide asteroid earned the unkind media nickname the Beast, since it had the potential to wipe out entire cities if it got too close. In the end, it followed projected paths and remained at a safe distance, but it still got close enough for Earth-based radar to take these incredible shots of its surface, showing features as small as 12 feet long. NASA video of the object suggests it appears to have 2 lobes, or to be made up of 2 objects forged together. 2014 HQ-124 will now continue its 31,000 mile/hour orbit, not projected to pass near Earth again until 2307 at the earliest.